Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Pack a Moment, and today I wanted to go over the moss stitch for today's stitch tutorial. So I've already chained up 14 because the multiple for the moss stitch is a multiple of 2, so you just have to chain an even number. And let's get started. So into the 4th chain from the hook, I'm going to put a single crochet stitch, and then I'm going to chain 1, skip a stitch, chain, skip a chain, work a single crochet into the next. And that is the repeat for this row. It's going to be single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. And I will meet you up at the end to go over finishing and starting row 2. Okay, so I've come to the end and I'm putting a single crochet into that last chain. And now I'm going to turn my work. Okay, so for row 2, we are going to chain 2. And this chain 2 will create a chain space for the next row. And we are going to put a single crochet into that chain space. So you're going to skip your first single crochet and work into the chain space, chain 1, and work a single crochet into the chain space again and chain 1. And that's the repeat for the entirety of this pattern. It is going to be 2 single crochet into the chain space, chain 1, single crochet into the chain space. And that, like I said, is going to be the repeat for this entire pattern. So I'm going to work up a few more rows and show you what it looks like at the end, and I'll meet you there. And actually I'm at the end of my row 2, and you'll notice that there's this chain of 3 that we had from the first row, and you're just going to work into the chain space created from that chain of 3, still skipping the last single crochet stitch of that. And just a quick recap since I'm here, we are going to chain 2, and into the chain space we are going to work a single crochet, chain 1, skip the single crochet into the chain space, chain 1. And again, that's the repeat for the entire pattern. It's going to be chain 2 of your new row, followed by working a single crochet stitch into the chain space, chaining 1, single crochet into the chain space. So I'm going to work up a few more rows and I'll meet you up then. Okay, I've come to the end, and here is my swatch of the moss stitch. And as you can see, this is a pretty tight fabric. I mean, you can, when you pull it apart, see in between the chain spaces, but compared to other crochet stitches, it's pretty tightly woven. And I personally am going to, I have a pajama set planned to make with this stitch just because it is a tighter fabric. And again, this is a really great simple stitch that you just need to know how to single crochet and chain for, and it is really pretty when it works up. This is also known as the linen stitch, which I did not mention before. And that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helps and inspires you to create beautiful crochet projects. Thank you for joining me, and please come back for more.